Hi, my name is Bonn I'm 27 years old. I came from International Culinary Arts Academy in Cebu. My position is a sous chef, and I came from Rainforest Park, Cebu, and I've been cooking for already 7 years. My specialty dishes is Western and Asian cuisine, and my advantage to other groups is that I am a team player and I'm hardworking. There are two main reasons why I chose Australia because first is Australia is one of the most progressive countries that I have known, and second is Australia could give my family a better future.